Good evening, madam. Today we will present about the mini project 2 SAD. First of all, I am introducing myself and my team members. Me, Aripriya, and my team members are Kiroshini and Ranis Rao. The introduction of the mini project is modern solution like the Malita District Hospital Management System are developed to improve hospital setting operational effectiveness. Administrator and receptionists are among the many stakeholders that the system serve by using contemporary technologies and placing a high value on user-centered design principles. Its user-friendly interface streamlines the process of making the patient appointment while also enabling effortless communication with healthcare procedures. Furthermore, patients can conveniently start their healthcare journey from their handheld device because of integration with mobile platform and application which improve accessibility and simplifies healthcare procedures. This is the main page of the Malita District Hospital application, which is we have a logo here and then a welcome here. For a exist user, will use their username, email and password and login. If the new user to the application is want to sign up first and then log in the log in the app. If the user forgot their password, can click here. If user want to more question about it, user can click on the help desk icon to ask a question to management. The second is patient details interface, which is here we have patient name, email, phone number, gender, age, country. Here also patient can choose their health condition. If patient want to more settings or anything, patient can click the setting icon. If patient back or go to any other interface, patient can click on the menu icon. If patient done fill this patient details, patient can click the save icon and next to the next interface. The less my friends will be explained.
Hello madam, my name is Kiroshini Kamraj. Now I will be present about appointment form, which is booking appointment. For this interface, we need to search our patient name first and then we need to click the search. It automatically generates our patient details. My patient name is Siva Srinivas and his email is sivasrinivas@gmail.com. His phone number 101342166623. His gender is male and his age is 20. His country is Malaysia and his health condition is fever. For this interface, we need to put the reason for the appointment and then we need to select the doctor or specialty and then we need to set the date and time. For save these details, we need to click the save and then click the next to turn to the next interface. The next interface is appointment book successfully page. It shows uh, the patient's room number and his doctor, the appointment date. It gives some instruction. The first instruction is please arrive 30 minutes before your appointment time. The second is bring any relevant medical reports that you have. The last one is please contact us if you to reschedule your appointment. The next slide is detailed report. We have 5 patients on 13th April 2024. The patient's name is Siva Srinivas, Niveta, Danisha and Jessina. The last is Kani. This slide shows patient's ID, phone number, room number and the appointment date. This slide shows summary report, patient's appointment report. Compared to this pie chart, we have gender and the health condition. For the gender, we have female more than the male. The female has 60% and the male have 40%. The health condition is The first ranking is appointment, that is which is 37.5%, and the second one is diabetes and fever. Each each condition has 25%, and the last one is headache, which is 12.5%.
So greetings to Puan Nur Sarina. So my name is Ranesh Rao. Now I'm going to explain about exception report. So what is exception report? So exception report is a document or notification that highlights unusual things within a system. So it's like a red flag that alerts users or administrators when something goes wrong in a specific operations like that. So these reports help to identify errors, anomalies, or problems that need attention, allowing for timely investigation and resolution. So in this exception report, so we use patient's appointment report. So the specified problem in we are stated in here is the name, which is Kani. So and they have ID, phone number, room number, and date, which is all different. So the ID, which as you can see, the name and the ID and the phone numbers are same, but the room number and date number is different. So this is what we call an exception report. So let's move on to the testing table, which is the first one is unit testing plan. So what is a unit testing plan? So unit testing plan is like a checking individual parts. So like for example lah, so for example checking individual parts of a machine to make sure they all work together before putting the whole thing together. So it's like um, to fix the thing, we must do the checking. So to do the checking, we are using unit testing plan. So in this case, so the number one test case name is patient registration. So the test procedure is verify the functionality of the registration page for users. And the precondition is patient is required to fill out the personal information form. So the expected result is patient data has successfully stored in the database. So the what's the tester name? So the tester name is Shrutika, and the result is pass. So the second one is booking appointment. So what's the test procedure? So test procedure is to ensure the functionality of appointment booking by the patient. So the precondition is patient must review and answer additional questions. So the expected result is patient data is successfully stored in the database also. So the tester name is Kumar and the result is pass. So the next is integration testing plan. So what is integration testing plan? So integration testing plan is like a checklist to make sure all things in the system work together smoothly before we move on to the next operation. So in this case, and the first one is test case name is patient registration, and the test procedure is verify the connection between the registration page and the database for storing patient data. And the precondition is the registration detail and database are configured correctly. So the expected result is patient's data as successfully stored in the database after registration. So the tester name is Shrutika and the result is pass. So the second one is booking appointment. So what's the test procedure? So the test procedure is that to ensure that booked appointments can be made after successful user authentication. So the precondition is user authentication system and appointment booking system are working properly. So the expected result is patient can book appointments seamlessly after logging in without encountering authentication errors. So the tester name that conduct this case is Kumar, and the result is pass. Okay, so let's move on to the conclusion. So in conclusion, Malita District Hospital Management System promises to have revolutionary effect on hospital operations and represents a major advancement in healthcare administration. Its carefully considered user interface design and stringent testing protocols highlight our dedication to streamlining administrative duties and improving operational effectiveness in healthcare facilities. So, our commitment to delivering a seamless and easily accessible user experience for all parties involved is evident in the meticulous attention to detail that went into designing the main interface, data input forms, and generated reports. So, the Malita District Hospital Management System is a prime example for our commitment to providing innovative software solutions that put user satisfaction and operational excellence first. So, we believe that when it is put into practice, hospital management procedures will be greatly improved, which will ultimately result in better patient care and a more effective healthcare system. So that's all from us, and hopefully, I hope Juan enjoyed the presentation well. So thank you, man.